welcome to Square Unboxed 2022.
The more open you are and the less constraint you have on what can be built, the more surprising and unexpectedly great things can happen.
There's an opportunity to kind of completely redefine the world's relationship with money for this next generation, and we're hoping to help shape that.
This calendar year will be the year of alternative payments really making its breakthrough and going mainstream.
What a sensational list of product features and capabilities we have coming our way.
It's my pleasure to announce that we are launching Cash App Pay for developers and partners.
The Square Booking API is a comprehensive, easy-to-use API that extends the power of Square appointments to any developer.
What about a business that simply wants to send a checkout link to their customers? Today, we're making that possible with the reimagined Checkout API.
But using the power of augmented reality, we can actually use this logo as the image tracker. We just hover the device over it. We would see the coffee actually pop up, but we would also see this button to be able to buy this secret item using the Web Payments SDK. If I just tap on it, boom, it initiates it on the terminal.
We're exposing public APIs so that everybody can build and extend upon.
It's nimble, it's designed to work with partners and for us to extend off of the platform.
Our APIs enable the integration of both first-party and third-party products and serve as the bridge to delightful, connected, and seamless experiences for our sellers, so everything just works.